Hey guys, well, Paisley is once again in the corner of shame for scratching up one of my interior doors. Well, a while back, I told you guys about some doors she had previously scratched up. And if you didn't believe me then, let me show you what she did this time. Well, we're back here at the scene of the crime with the culprit. You can see down here, she scratched it up just a little bit. It's not a super deep scratch, so in this instance, I may just want to repair it because it may be easier than actually replacing the entire door. I'm going to show you a really easy, quick way just to fill in those scratches and your door will look better. So first you're going to grab a sanding tool, either a sponge or you can actually grab a hand sander. And you just want to sand down the area that's been scratched to smooth it out. Next, you're gonna grab your wood filler. You can buy it at any local hardware store, and a putty knife. Next, you're gonna grab just a little bit of putty to kind of fill in that scratched area, and then you're gonna let it sit and dry for as long as your directions on your wood filler says. Ours just says 15 minutes. Well, now that the scratches are all filled in, 15 minutes it is. So now I'm just gonna sand down the excess filler so I can just paint right over it and you won't be able to tell. Pro tip. So now I've finished sanding. We have a nice flush finish with the door. So all you need to do is get one of the cans.
Okay. Reflexes.
Now all you need to do is go get one of the dozens of cans you have stored in your garage. Hopefully it matches what you're trying to paint. All you need to do is just paint right over it and it should look pretty good. Well, turns out it wasn't the right paint color. Take two. So what did we learn today? Fixing minor dents and scratches is actually pretty easy, and sometimes again it's not replacing your entire door and you can just fix them. The hardest part is finding the paint color that matches. You might make sure you have the correct paint color before you embark on this. You can always just buy that new door. There is that option too. That's all we have for you this week. Leave any questions or comments. Don't leave comments below, just questions, please. I'm aware of my mistakes. We hope you have a great week and we'll see you next time. Paisley! Take 7, perfection, perfect. Okay, goodbye. See you today. See you later.
See you today.
See you today.